Hi everybody, welcome to Prioritize Your Health podcast. My name is Oge, and today we are going to be talking about a new teaching series titled Why Water Intake. In the last video I was laying emphasis on water being a physiological practical habit that we can engage on every day in order to stay healthy. And today we are taking up water as a case study in our teaching. Why water intake? And on this series, we are going to be talking about the importance of water to the human body. We also are going to be talking about the function of water in the human organs. We're also going to be talking about the necessity of water to human health. Why it's important to our health that we take water. So to start off, we are going to start off with hydration. Hydration is a common word we have probably heard someone say or heard anybody say, or if you've been around your student, you always hear now. Or if you are even in school, you hear your people telling you, I need to stay hydrated, I need to take in water. So what that actually means is hydration means the amount of water we take into our body to maintain the physiological amount of water that our body needs. So if our body, for instance, is not having the required amount that is actually needed to function, would end up having what we call dehydration. That would be a teaching on its own. Today we are talking about hydration, and the human body contains about 75% of water. So if you have heard a saying that talks about water is life, the body needs water to function properly, to function at its best. Without water, the body will not be able to carry out its activity. So water, staying hydrated rather, is very essential to every single cell in our body, and is a key for many things like digestion, filtration, many things that is needed in order for us to be healthy. So let's talk about the amount of water we should be taking in a day. The amount of water any individual should take varies, and in its variation, it depends on three things. The first one is that it depends on our weight. It depends on our body mass index, our BMI. So I will take myself as a case study and as an example. Like now, my BMI always fluctuates anyway, so it's between 17 and 18. That is my BMI. That's my body mass index, and the amount of water that I take in each day is about 3 to 4 liters of water. That's about like a liter. Now how you calculate it if you are taking a sachet water? 2 of that and a sachet water is 1 liter. 4 of it is 2 liters. 3 of it should give you 3 liters, which is where I fall into, which is my category. So if you example, someone who has a BMI of 24 or 23, you don't expect the person to take 3 liters like I'm taking. No, he has to increase his water intake. So that is how it varies. It varies through our weight. In our next video, we'll really talk about that. Then the other thing is our level of activities. Our level of our activity also determine the amount of water we should take in. Example again, myself as a case study, I am an athlete. I play football. So you don't expect me after playing football you expect me to still take the 3 liters I've been taking on a normal day when I don't engage in activity. As far as I'm engaging in activity, there is, and if you play a football, you perspire a lot. There's a lot of sweat. There's a lot of loss of water. So you need to take in water to renew that. The last one is climate. Climate can also determine the amount of water we take in our body. Example, if you're in rainy season, if you have noticed, you will know that you take water less because you're in rainy season compared to when it is dry season, when it is sunny. When it is sunny, you find yourself taking more and more and more water than in rainy season. So these are the three things that determine how much water we should take in a day. In our next video, we'll really elaborate on each one of them. But till then, see you next time. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this if it has blessed you. And meanwhile, look at my water. I'm always with my water to always stay hydrated. So till next time, have a wonderful day.